Good evening and welcome to the Buck Stops Here weekend edition. I'm Ankita Mukherjee. Our top story tonight, 8,000 policemen turning Ayodhya into a security fortress. Arrests of senior VHP leaders and political grandstanding on all sides. In the end, it was perhaps the numbers that gave the game away. The Uttar Pradesh government's so-called massive crackdown on the VHP Yatra aimed at reviving the call for the construction of a Ram temple in Ayodhya ended in the arrests of just 600 people. So did the Samajwadi Party government diffuse a potentially explosive situation, or was this a fixed match, as some are alleging? A win-win situation for both.
Temple town Ayodhya, the fortress. No one, tagged as troublemaker, could enter or start a journey.
We are on the watch. We know who are the people, troublemakers, and they also know that we know them.
NDTV witnessed a police raiding party running along the bank of Saryu River to stop VHP head Praveen Togadia from starting the proposed 84 Kos Yatra. At Lucknow Airport, VHP stalwart Ashok Singhal, detained, served extermination orders. Ramvilas Vedanti, ex-BJP Member of Parliament, pro-Yatra saint, whisked away from the banks of Saryu River in the wee hours of morning. Akhilesh Yadav's 8,000-odd policemen outnumbered and overpowered the VHP's threat of a Yatra to spread the Ram Mandir message. Also, Ayodhya's 6,000-odd temples and 13,000-odd sadhus largely stayed away. The outspoken priest of the Ram temple at the disputed site termed the Yatra political.
यह राजनीति अपस्पसा हमारे यहाँ शास्त्रों में कि राजनीति जो होती है वो स्पष्ट नहीं होती और राजनीति करने वाले कहेंगे कुछ करेंगे कुछ, इसलिए राजनीति से प्रेरित यह पूर्ण रूप से दिखाई देता है.
The police arrested a little less than 700 VHP men, including an ex-MP, MLAs and their supporters. The VHP had to alter its strategy. Instead of sending out an army of supporters making one big push, it sent out small mobs of supporters making guerrilla attempts to keep the Yatra in headlines.
The VHP failed to kickstart its Yatra, and in fact sources tell us that the state government plans to keep the VHP leaders locked up for a long time to ensure that they don't really return anytime soon for a restart. But the VHP really isn't complaining too much.
The BJP, which promised support to VHP plan in February this year, hopes the revived Ram temple campaign will polarize majority votes, add to Modi's development plan. The Yadavs, Mulayam and Akhilesh hope to benefit. The crackdown is Samajwadi Party's attempt to polarize minority votes in Uttar Pradesh and edge out rivals Congress and the BSP. Congress leader Digvijay Singh tweeted that Ayodhya events were like a fixed cricket match. On the ground, there were signs of a Samajwadi Party VHP understanding. VHP leaders and sadhus remained peaceful. They were allowed to appear and then arrested, like Nitya Gopal Das of Ram Mandir Nyas. Staged a march, was arrested and released within minutes. Any clash would have put a question mark over the Samajwadi Party government's law and order handling.
मुझे तो लगता है कहीं ये जो है मैच फिक्सिंग तो नहीं है. वही सरकार जो लखनऊ में है, सियासत जो है लखनऊ से हो रही है, धर्म स्थान जो है वो अयोध्या में है. मेरा ख्याल से ये बीजेपी के साथ जो मिला हुआ एक जो गिरोह है और पूरी तरह बीजेपी उसमें सक्रिय है.
Yet again, a saryu of emotive politics is flowing through Ayodhya. The VHP is not displaying the walk of a loser. Instead, it's claiming its mission accomplished. The Samajwadi Party is celebrating the thwarting of the VHP's plans. Only in Indian politics, there can be two winners from a single contest. With Prem Singh in Ayodhya, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
So, yatra or no yatra, is it mission accomplished for both the parties? We're asking the yatra that wasn't, the SP and the BJP's fixed match. Joining us on the discussion tonight, Kamal Farooqi, member of the Samajwadi Party. We're also being joined by Asaduddin Owaisi, Lok Sabha MP of the MIM. Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson for the BJP. Joining us from Lucknow tonight, Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress. But Kamal Farooqi, let me begin with you first. You know, we saw the images. It was almost as if they were playing out for the TV cameras, police raiding parties, chasing VHP leader Praveen Togadia along the banks of the Sarayu before they arrested him. In a sense, did all of this go according to script? And, you know, have you got exactly the outcome you were hoping for?
No, in fact, this is very unfortunate that the people have started thinking it into a sort of match or match fixing or whatever you feel like. But we are running the state. We have to control it. We have to see that there should not be any mishap in the state. Law and order should be maintained. Communal harmony should be maintained. Had it been a normal kind of yatra, it would have not been any problem. We have recently seen that Kamadiya's yatra, it went off for almost 1 month.
What do you mean by normal yatra?
Almost.
What do you mean by normal yatra?
I'm talking any other yatra which does not have the political angle to it.